How flexible are you when it comes to different situations in life or dealing with people? It's been said that during a storm with high winds and rain, an oak tree may snap. But what about a willow tree? It will bend and sway in the storm, actually making it stronger. So why is flexibility important? Flexibility allows you to face challenges. By being flexible, you have the ability to change yourself when needed. This is fundamental when it comes to facing challenges. Flexibility gives you peace and reduces stress. Every problem in life is only a burden if you can't adapt to it. So if you are flexible, and you will be able to mold yourself and you will be able to overcome all of life's problems. Knowing that you can face life's challenges will reduce your stress level and bring you peace. In this video, I'll show you some yoga postures to help cultivate flexibility within your mind, body, and spirit. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell button off to the right to receive notifications for new video tutorials. Beginning in hero pose on your knees, take a moment to connect with your breath. Take a nice deep breath in, sweep your arms up, bring your hands to your heart center to the prayer namaste. Inhale, exhale, release, and let all your worries go. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Slowly bring yourself into tabletop pose as we transition into our cat-cow posture. Pressing the earth away from you, inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, arch your back, chin high to the sky. Inhale, chin to chest. Arch your back, exhale. Bringing awareness to your breath and bringing flexibility to your spine. Now moving into knee to elbow crunches, raise your right leg to the back of your mat, then your left arm to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gently shift yourself into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up high to the sky. Raise your right leg. Then bring that right knee between the palms of your hand to the top of your mat. Again, connect with your breath. Tuck that left toe. Lift your hips up high to the sky. Then raise your left leg and shift that left knee to the top of your mat between the palms of your hand. Take a moment, connect with your breath. As you own your breath, nobody can steal your peace. Gently shift yourself out of pigeon pose into downward facing dog. Take a nice deep breath in. Drop your knees down to the earth, moving into child's pose. And slowly bring yourself onto your forearms into a nice low plank. Engage your core. Breathe and embrace this moment and believe that anything is possible when you put your mind to it. Shift your hips up Bring yourself to the tips of your toes. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Drop your knees. Bringing yourself onto your forearms. Then raise your right arm high to the sky, bringing your chest to the right side of your mat. Now shift your left arm high to the sky. Now shift yourself into a nice high plank. Raise your right leg, press the earth away from you, then bring that right foot to the top right corner of your mat. And slowly bring yourself onto your forearms, allowing flexibility within your inner groin and your hips. And we're going to slowly shift to the other side. Raise that left leg, then shift that left foot to the top left corner of your mat. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Give your body exactly what it needs. Now press the earth away from you and shift that left leg back. Then bring your feet to the top of your mat. Take a nice deep breath in, raise your arms, forward fold. Also known as Paschimottanasana. Slowly release and extend your legs wide to the side of your mat. Take a nice deep breath in, raise your left arm and grab your right ankle or foot, whatever's most comfortable for you. Slow, steady breaths in, slow, steady breaths out. Release and switch to the other side. Raise your right arm and grab your left foot. Embrace this very moment, connecting with your breath. Release, deep breath in. Extend your arms and bring yourself into a nice forward fold. This posture, Upavishta Konasana, not only brings flexibility to your spine and your hamstrings, but also to your mind. Gently release and bring the soles of your feet together, moving into Baddha Konasana. Your spine is nice and elongated, crown is high to the sky. Allow your knees to drop to the earth. Breathe and embrace this very moment, allowing for peace to fill you up from the inside out. Gently release yourself out of this posture. Extend your right leg to the top of your mat. Bend your left knee, bringing that left foot to your right inner thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up, bringing yourself into a nice forward fold. Again, connecting with your breath. Soft, low, steady breaths in and out. Release. Gently move to the other side, extending that left leg to the top of your mat and bending your right knee. And that right sole of your foot is at the left inner thigh. Again, forward fold. Release, extend both feet to the top of your mat, bringing yourself on your back, on your mat, moving into bridge pose. Interlace your hands under your sacrum, lift your pelvis up high to the sky, and breathe. Slowly raise your left foot high to the sky. Release. Now raise your right foot high to the sky. Release. Drop your hips back down to the earth and extend both feet to the front of your mat. Then extend your arms to the back of your mat, giving your body that good deep stretch that it needs. Lift yourself up off the earth into a nice little forward fold. Bringing yourself into lotus pose. Deep breath in, sweep your arms up. Exhale, hands in the prayer namaste, and give yourself gratitude for being here now. Namaste, my friends. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and give me a thumbs up.